We'll guide you through how to show and see the Wi-Fi password on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do. It's important you watch the entire video, otherwise you may go and miss an important step of what you need to do. So don't go and skip ahead. So perhaps you're wanting to go and connect another device, and so you're wanting to go and see it, as perhaps you went and connected to it a while ago. And it's hard to remember, as usually it's sort of randomized letters and numbers, and you're wanting to go and look at it. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. What you need to do is you need to go and swipe up, and you need to go and find settings. So you want to go and tap there like so. Now, when you're in settings, what you need to do is you need to go down and go and find connections, and you can go and tap there like so. Now we can go and see Wi-Fi here. Now we're going to go and show you two different ways you can go and do this, by the way. So make sure you keep watching in case one of them doesn't work for you. So what you need to do is go and tap on Wi-Fi at the top like so. So for the first way, you need to go to the top right and press the three dots, go down and find advanced settings. This will open up and you need to go and find manage networks and tap there. You can go and see the networks you've connected to. Then what you can do is go and find the network you want to go and see the password for and show, tap on it. And then what you can do is you can go and see the password here, and you need to go and press the I to the right. Enter in your PIN for your phone. This is your screen lock, and press continue. And then it's going to go and be revealed there. And you can go and repeat that for the others here. Now, if this option isn't working for you or you don't like it, alternatively, here's the network you're currently connected to. And if you want to go and find the password for it, you can go to the right and press the gear or cog icon. Then you can go and find the password, and you can go and press the I icon to the right like so and enter in your current PIN. And then what you can do is you can go and see the password there, and that's it. Now, what you can do is you could go and use that on another device to go and get it connected to the internet. What you can also do is generate a QR code in the bottom left. So tap there, enter in your current PIN, and you could generate a QR code if you wanted to go and share it as well. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. I look forward to helping you again with more how-tos in the future. Goodbye for now.